All right, hi. So this is our new math lesson. We're finally jumping into three-dimensional solids now. So that's 3D shapes. In the past, all of last week, we were mainly focusing on 2D, which is flat shapes. This week, we're focusing on 3D shapes. All right, so let's read. What objects match the three-dimensional solids? Draw a picture of an object that has the shape below. So this shape is called a rectangular prism. Can everybody say rectangular prism?
Rectangular prism.
It's a rectangular prism because it has rectangular faces and it's 3D, which means it's a prism. Anything that says prism means it's 3D. Okay? So what is a object in real life that's the same shape of this prism? Dominic.
Oh.
Okay, very good. Maybe a rectangular prism present. What else? Bernaya? A cereal box. That's a good one. A cereal box is a rectangular prism. So is a tissue box. That's a rectangular prism. A shoe box is a rectangular prism. But we're just going to go ahead and go with cereal box. So I'm going to show you how to draw a prism. So first thing you do, we're going to draw a cereal box. So the first thing you do is you draw a rectangle. Let's write cereal in it. C-E-R-A-L. Sorry, it was C-E-R-E-A-L. A-E-L. Cereal. I'm not the best speller out there, guys. There we go. Anyway, all right. So this is how you draw a rectangular prism. You draw a rectangle first. And then you draw two slanted lines that way from each vertice sideways. And then there's a vertice here, so I'm going to draw another one sideways. And then it looks like a table flipped, right? And then you're going to connect these vertices. And then you're going to connect these vertices. And then right here, this is one of the vertices we forgot to draw a line to. Here's another vertice. And then we're going to connect these vertices. And it's a cereal box. Okay? All right. This is called a cylinder. A cylinder can roll. It only has two flat shapes. What in real life is the same shape as a cylinder, Rena? A can. So this is how you draw a cylinder. First you draw an oval at the top. Maybe like that, okay? And then another oval at the bottom. And then you just draw a line to connect both ovals. Okay. And this is a cylinder. We said a can, so we can write can in the middle. Okay? All right, moving on. And again, I'm sorry, cereal, C-E-R-E-A-L. I said it right, and then I wrote it wrong. Sorry. Okay, anyway, that's, I just went back a little bit. All right, now let's really move on. These are three-dimensional solids. Remember, three-dimensional is the same as 3D. Compare the shapes and surfaces of the different solids. So the surface is the flat side. This is also called a face, okay? So we're going to compare how many faces each shape has. So let's start with the cube. Let's look at the cube. How many faces does a cube have? Well, this is 1. The top is 1. The bottom is 2. The side is 3. The other side is 4. The front side is 5. And the back side is 6. So this has 6 faces or 6 sides. Let's talk about a rectangular prism. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, the top is 5, and the bottom is 6. Let's talk about a triangular prism. This side is 1, the back side is 2, the bottom side is 3, the front side is 4, and the other back side is 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A sphere has how many flat sides? 0 flat sides. A cylinder has how many flat sides? 1, 2. A cone? 1. 1. This is not flat, it rolls. It's not a face. A face is something that's flat, you can sit on. All right, which of these objects has the shape of a cube? Which one of these is a cube, Dominic? The block. What is this one, class? A sphere. What's this one? A cone. Okay, circle the object that matches the name of the solid. This is really easy. Which one of these is a sphere? Everyone? Basketball. Basketball. Which one of these is a triangular prism, class? The tent. The tissue box is a rectangular prism. Remember, you know what kind of prisms these are by the faces they have. A rectangular prism has a rectangular face. A triangular prism has a triangular face. Circle the objects that match the name of the solid. A cylinder. Which one of these is a cylinder, Amaria? The very good. The paper towel roll. Which one of these is a rectangular prism? Now we're talking. All right. The what, JC? And there's 2. And the tissue box. How about a cone? Rena? The first one, the cone, it's called a cone. And the last one, these are actually in real life called cone. This is called an ice cream cone, and this is called just a cone. You use it for sports, but it's flipped upside down. All right, so this is pretty simple. Now, guys, just because in the past we've only circled 1, it doesn't mean that on all the problems there's only going to be 1 right answer. There's going to be more than 1 right answer sometimes, okay? So don't feel confused if you have to circle 2. All right, number 6. Circle the solids that have a curved surface. Draw an X on the solids that do not have a curved surface. So let's start with the first part. It says circle the solids that have a curved surface. Does the cone have a curved surface? Curved surface means it rolls. Can a cone roll? Yes. Can a rectangular prism roll? Can a sphere roll? Can a cube roll? No. Can a triangular prism roll? Can a cylinder roll? Yes. Draw an X on the solids that do not have a curved surface. Does this one have a curved surface? No, the rectangular prism does not. Does the cube have a surface? A curved surface? No. Does a triangular prism have a curved surface? No. Julio used cardboard squares as the flat surface of a cube. How many squares did he use? So we're talking about how many flat surfaces or faces does a cube have. I'm going to show you how to draw a cube again. So we're going to draw it together. Are you ready? All right. First, the cube, you're going to draw a square, not a rectangle, but a square. And then you're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, sideways lines from each vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to connect these 2 lines, connect these 2 lines, and then connect from this one to that one. That's a cube. And then you connect this one from top to bottom. All right, I'm going to do it again slowly. First you draw a square, and then you draw 1, 2, 3, 4 sideways lines from each vertex. And then you connect 1, connect 2, connect 3, and then connect 4. It's a cube. All right. How many sides does a cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many squares did he use? 6. Okay? All right. We're going to do the next one together too. It says, write the shape that names to complete. So we have a cube, a rectangular prism, cylinder, cone, triangular prism, and a sphere. Choose the best label for each solid, then write the names of the solids. Has only flat surfaces. So which ones have only flat surfaces? Okay, hold on. Raise your hand. Rena. Cube. What else has only flat surfaces? Renaya. Rectangular prism. What else only has flat surfaces? Dominic. Triangular prism. So you're going to write all 3 of these here. I'm not going to write them because I don't want to write with my finger because it's going to hurt. But you can write them. I will give you some time. You can pause the video now. Okay, which ones have only curved surfaces? Has only a curved surface? Rena. Good. There's only one for this one. A sphere. Only a sphere. A cone and a cylinder have a flat surface and a curved surface, so that doesn't belong here. This has only curved surfaces, and the only one with a curved surface is a sphere. Okay? Now, the last one has both flat and curved surfaces. So, who wants to help me there? Destin. And a cone and a cylinder have both a flat and a curved surface. Flat and a curved surface. So you're going to write cone and cylinder here. All right. I'm going to give you time to write this down, but as you're writing, I'm just going to talk. When you are done writing this down and you're done with this Go Math unit, what I want you to do is, after I grade, your parents grade your papers online, or as the in-class people, I grade their papers. It looks good. What I'm going to ask you to do is, this page right here, you're going to cut it out like this. You're not going to cut, watch how I'm cutting so you know how to cut. Can you see that? Oh, you can't see the yellow, can you? Let's see. Let me try purple. So you're going to cut it out like this after I grade your work and make sure it's right. You're going to cut this out like this, and you're going to glue this inside of your math notebook. The reason we are doing that is because this is a key. This is a key, means like an answer sheet. So this will help you with the rest of the things we're going to be doing for the next 2 weeks. So you will need this, okay? If you don't have this and you don't do it, then you can't use it on your other assignments. So make sure you do that when you're done with the lesson. Okay, you're going to work on page 528, or you're just going to do this one problem. And then you're going to do page 529 and 530 on your own. Today's lessons are very easy. If you have any questions, do let me know. Have fun learning math, and I will see you later. Bye.